Hello, loves. Welcome to UniekMakes by Christina. Today I have a office supply haul to share with you. It's a small one, but it does have some goodies. Check that out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box of goodies. So first thing I want to share with you are this gesso, and I did get in black and white, so I could do some of my mixed media. I needed to restock on this. I have a little bit of white left over, but I do need some black, so I got me some of those. And these are actually good prices. These are 4-ounce bottles, and I believe they were like $11. So those are actually some good ones. I got those ones. I also hauled some paper flowers, and look at that, got them in the pastel. So you do got the purples, mints, and pink. Look how pretty that is. Love those. And then I also hauled this sketchbook die, which I saw Brenda Creations haul. When I saw they came with the coordinating die, I had to go make my order. Thank you, Brenda. This was actually a pretty good buy and was not expensive. So look at that. They did get the little swan, which I love the swan. You got some butterfly flowers, the hello sentiment, and you got some little odds and ends. So you got that. Another stamp I hauled is a spring one, and I actually got it because of the little seed packet there. I thought that was super cute. Look at that. Love, love, love. That is so pretty. And look at the little strawberry and the bee, which actually I am gonna swap with that. Got those. And then I also hauled some ephemera pieces. And this is a spring, like a spring garden one. Look at that. I love the umbrella and the little garden house that's on there. I got this to mix with, I want to make a mini album with Case Crafts garden, or is it yeah, it's a garden mini album, garden house mini album, I believe. So I got that so I could go ahead and make something, because I do have another giveaway that should be coming up. Okay, next thing I hauled is this paper pad. I got it because I love the blues and yellows. Look at that. Now let's check this one out. And this one, it's 6x6. You do get 36 papers in this pad. Real nice. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. And it is single-sided. That the green polka dot. Love my polka dots. The yellow stripes. Oh, look at the blue, yellow, green stripes. Love it. Now this one's been sitting in my cart for a while. This is a real pretty paper pad. Look at that. Oh wow, look at that. Like a family tree that you can make. Actually, that'd be a good idea. You got the browns. You got some blue and I believe brown stripes. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Oh look, this almost looks like paper, like writing paper. And then you got the blue flowers, the yellow. Oh wow, look at that. This is a real pretty paper pad. Love, love, love. I do love blue. Blue used to be my favorite, my number one color. I mean, I still love blue, but in my 20s is when pink. I really became a pink girl. That polka dots, love it. You got the little squares. And then your sentiment background. I love sentiment backgrounds. Oh, this is a family, so that's grandma, daughter, grandpa, dad, son, daughter, family, mom, cousin. That's actually pretty cool. That's really, really nice. So love that. This would be a real nice one to make a family album type of journal idea. Maybe that's what I'll make. Alright, the next thing I got is this glue residue eraser. I needed one because I didn't have one in my stash, so I went ahead and got that. And then I did get some jemmies because I love my jemmy. So I got one that has orange, yellow, peach, like a slate blue, and almost a light evergreen. Look at that. So I got that one. And then I got the flower with the heart one. I believe this one's rebuy. And then look at this one. Another pastel. Love the pearls. So I got those three. And then I got this paper pad, which is main character energy, and you get 36 sheets. Look at that. Does that scream summer? And there is some gold foiling in this one. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let me go ahead and open that. Look at this. This is real pretty. Love my rainbows. Look at that. And then you get gold foiling camera. See if we can show that. Real pretty. You get your little polka dots. Oh wow, look at the butterflies. Beautiful butterflies. This one is actually a real pretty one too. Oh wow, this got gold foiling stars. They look like splatters. Real pretty. Real pretty. OMG, look at the clouds. Real pretty, love it. And then you got the wood grain with some colored wood grain. Beautiful. MG, look at that. Exciting. This is the pretty colors. Makes a nice spring one. Oh wow, look at the foiling on that. Love, love, love. You get this one. This looks like texture, but it's not. Oh wow, look, like a color wheel. Oh, here goes another splatter, and it just got gold foiling. Now this, the polka dots. I love my polka dots. Let me know, are you a polka dot person? Or are you more into stripes? Are you into sentiment backgrounds? Let me know in the comments what kind of backgrounds you like. Of course, it's, yeah, there it goes. The stripes. Love this. Oh, they do got like little miniature cutter parts. Love that. It says happy. Love this life. Good stuff. And do your thing. Real nice. This is my real life. Perfect. Star power. Lovely. Oh, I love using the word lovely. This one remind me almost like a not ledger paper, but to like minimal. Oh wow, look at that. And it has a little celebrate at the bottom. Love that. And I think it starts, yep, it starts all over. So, love this. And like I said, you get 36 sheets on there. And then the next thing I hauled is this Joyful Notes. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to have to get another. So let's go ahead and look at Joyful Notes. Yeah, that's pretty. I might have to get another. Okay, let's check out Joyful Notes. This one looks really, really pretty. Oh, yes it is. Look at that. Oh, wow. See you soon, just for you, celebration. There's a beautiful flower. Look at the beautiful flowers. Oh, wow. Look at that. The flowers with some silver foiling. Love it. I love shiny things, glittery things. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, wow, look at that. So how pretty would that go with that in the background on a card? Real nice. Love that. Just for you. What if it all goes right? You make the world a better place. That beautiful. I love sentiment backgrounds. It's pretty. Love, love, love. Got some more cutter parts. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, that would be nice for that. Real nice. Love, love, love. Oh, check this out. Like little paper, library cards. Look at that. Love that. This is real pretty. Then you got this blue one. Love it. Oh, look, more gold. I mean silver foiling. And the flowers. Real pretty. And then it starts over. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is a real pretty pen. And then the last thing I hauled is this Sunny Blooms thickers. Now this, I hauled this before. I wanted a second one so I could use the other ones for some swaps that I have coming out. Oh, look at that. The balloons, beautiful memories together, sunny days, happy heart, rainy day, XOXO joy, and you got more in the back. So this does come with 80. But yeah, that is my little office supply haul I want to share with you. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite. I like it all. I do like the paper pads. They're actually really nice. But yeah, leave a comments below and let me know what is your favorite. Make sure you hit the like so I know that you like the video. Subscribe because I always is sharing nice deals for you to save and tutorials. Do hit the notification so you do know when I upload more videos. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.